I'm Mark. This is Everyone Can Grow. Today on the Blackstone, we're going to do pork fried rice. Now, I've been all over this darn galaxy trying to get my speeder fixed up because it's been raining in Northeast Ohio all over the place. And what I want to try to do is I'm going to try to get it set up to where I can put a mower on it and just like hover cut the grass. So we'll see how that works out, and if it does, I'll put a video up for that too. But right now, let's get into cooking. Went to Naboo, got some of the best EVO you can get, and we're just going to lay down a little bit on here and spread it out. I was all over the place, and I stopped off and hooked up with his Wookiee, and he hooked me up with 1.5 pounds of cut pork tenderloins. So we're going to try them out tonight. Just drop them on. Now, he said that you're never going to be able to find this place. He said he got it from a place called Ashton. I never heard of it. I don't know if you have. But he said you're never going to find the place. So if you want, he said you could substitute chicken. So with that going, I'm going to add, just a little bit of my dry rub, just a smidge. We'll mix that in real quick. Now I got the Blackstone on high right now, just to get this pork kind of a head start. So I went there and I got that, and then I stopped off at Navarro and picked up a little bit of this, I guess it's called Rancorn teriyaki garlic sauce. Then I just want to put just a smidge down on it right now, just to get it going. Yeah, this big, huge dude, Karga, told me this is what I want to use with pork. Look at how nice that looks already. This isn't going to take long. Oh, wow. Now I'm telling you what, I think that Wookiee ripped me off, because this does smell just like chicken. So everybody says, what's it smell like? It smells like chicken or it tastes like chicken. I think I paid too much for this. That was 7 credits for 1.5 pounds of pork. So I'm going to let this go for a few minutes. When the pork is all kind of seared and pretty much cooked, I'll bring it back. This is looking good. And I'm telling you, I wish you could smell it. But I'll bring you back in a few minutes. Okay, I'm bringing you back. The pork is all kind of like that. It's not iridescent looking anymore. You can see it's got a sear on it all the way around. If you ever get to Tatooine, you need to try that blue milk. It is so good. Anyhow, this is all got a nice sear on it. So the next thing we'll do is we'll put down some vegetables. I ran over to Endor and stopped at a little farmer's market. This little furry dude, they call him Ewoks, I think. He had some real good frozen vegetables. So I'm putting 1 full portion of frozen vegetables down. And I'm going to give that a quick shot of EVO. Boy, and I'm telling you, if you ever want to take a vacation, Naboo's the place to go. They got waterfalls. I swear they fall for miles there. These vegetables I want to just kind of, I want to heat up, but I don't want to make them soft. You know what I mean? I want to keep them where they still have a little bit of a crunch to them. Boy, this looks good. And it smells incredible. I'll give these another flip. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't tell you, my heat on this is medium. On this one, and low over here. And I'm going to turn this one up just a little bit below medium is what both of them are. There we go. Looking good. This happens quick. I mean, I was only off camera for maybe 3 minutes while this was going to bring it up to temp. Let me put these right smack in the center. Oh, what do we got next here? Oh, yeah. Right now would be the place where you'd add your shrimp. And if you want to add some really good color to your shrimp, stop off at Sargon and get those little, they're like prawns almost, they're big, blue shrimp. And throw them in. Could you imagine blue, like that, mixed up in your stir fry? Oh, would that be good. Let's toss down just a smidge of my dry rub on there. And I'm not trying to go real heavy with the dry rub because it can be overpowering. Oh, the vegetables smell good. That little furry dude, he was right. All right, you know what I'm going to do? Not look at the sear on that pork. Jeez, oh Pete. I don't know. The Wookiee might have been a straight shooter too, because this is smelling really good. Like I said, he did say you could substitute with chicken, but man, if you could find some pork, fire it up, because that really gives a good flavor. So I got some pre-cooked Endor rice that I got at the same farmer's market. We're going to drop that in here right now. And we're going to bring everything together now. Break some of this up a little bit. I wish you were here. This is one of those videos again that I wish I had smell-o-vision. Not popping. That's so cool how the rice does that. Flatten that out and let's get that nice and warm. Oh. That little Ewok dude, he was funny as heck. I couldn't understand the dang thing he said, but he was really funny. So, the last place I stopped was Mos Pelgo, and I picked up 2 portions of mudhorn egg from this bartender called Queequeg. And he said he gave it to me pretty cheap, but I don't know, 2.5 credits seems pretty steep for that little bit of a mudhorn egg when I found out that that dang mudhorn egg was that big. So, you live and learn. We're going to mix that in real quick. Oh, I just dropped a piece of pork on the ground. That quick mix. And I'm going to put in a little bit more rancorn sauce. Still, I'm turning these off now. Another shot of that rancorn sauce. This guy was super nice. He told me if I ever needed work, he could put me to work. He says, It's a lot of legwork. You got to find people and bring them back, but I just don't have time for that right now. This is about ready to plate. Terry, what do we got in this? Maybe 6-7 minutes?
Maybe.
Let me get that egg down there. That mudhorn egg was kind of floating in there. Yum. Can you see that? Look at that. My goodness. You might have to go a galaxy around to pick everything up. And it was far, far away, let me tell you that. No kidding around. But for what you get, you know what I did forget? I forgot a spoon. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to scoop this off. Guys, this is so delicious. Yeah, it smells so delicious. I haven't tried it yet. But I'm going to try to hook up with that Wookiee again. Get some more of this pork. Because we're going to take... I don't have a spoon, guys, or a fork. So y'all going to have to bear with me. We're going to go right off the spatula. Oh, the smell. Pork fried rice. On a Blackstone griddle. In 10 minutes at the most, from start to finish. I might have traveled a galaxy to find it. But all the ingredients were really good. So anyhow, I am Mark. This is Everyone Can Grill. May the 4th be with you. Now get off your butts, fire up your grills, see what kind of stuff you can put together, because everybody can grill. Have a great week.